All right, good day, guys. This is another S Group daily review video, video number 100. I can't believe I've reached 100 videos, but I'm here and I've done it. So we got our earnings on Friday. Today's actually Sunday, so this was our Friday earnings, which is 0.62%. So I made $110.75 on the money I've invested in the system in the Forex market. So I'm pretty excited about that. Brings my balance here, guys. Go to investments under Forex. So in the first week there, I made $326.59 plus $50 in bonus. So about $376 and change. And yeah, guys, moving, getting closer to the 24,000 mark. I noticed here when I logged into my account today, they still haven't included the merge or combine deposit feature. Speaking to my higher ups, and apparently, well, I spoke to him last week, and he says, yeah, within 2 weeks they're going to have it back. So I should be expecting that in the next week or two, I guess, at the latest. Which is important to me because, like, when I merge these two deposits together, guys, what it does is it takes your earnings that you have so far and it puts it up here. And when it's up there, then you're able to have access to the money in your account. So yeah, so that way I can take the money out and switch it over and you know, do what I have to do with it. So but nonetheless, my account is still growing in the back end, which is great. I'm not sure how the commissions will work for the 5% yearly, but they're going to explain that as time goes on. But nonetheless, guys, things are moving along real well. I'm just thinking, guys, like, just imagine, like, next year I'll be over 30,000, and or actually probably 35,000. Because with what I'm doing, I'm putting $400 reinvesting every 2 weeks, so that's $800 a month. So you got to think in 10 months, my account will go up $8,000, guys, just 10 months from now, which is kind of almost, I guess, October, probably around then, 10 months from now. We're in February right now, so yeah, this amount would go up like 8 grand, guys. So it's basically at 24 grand right now. And yeah, so it'll be 32 grand like a year from now if I just keep doing what I'm doing, which I'm probably going to end up putting more in actually as time goes on, because my earnings is going to go up because I'm going to the next level, which is 80% earnings share as opposed to 75% earnings share. I'll be reaching that milestone soon because I'm pretty much at 24,000 now. I got about 1,000 left to go. And I got commissions coming in as well, guys. Those are going up because everyone's earnings are going up. So as time goes on, time is on my side. Just got to keep this moving. But if you guys want to be part of this and you want to make money like this passively through Monday through Friday, because there's no earnings on the weekend, because there's no Forex trades on the weekend, only through Monday through Friday. You can click on the sign up link down below in my video. If you're just checking out S Group for the first time, you have any questions, there's actually my email address is in the description down below. You can shoot me an email. Let me know what country you're from and any questions you have about the about the company S Group, and I'll be more than happy to fill you in. I've been with this company since October of 2020, so I've been around. I've seen a lot. I've heard a lot and I've experienced a lot. So I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. And yeah, guys, there's a lot of different ways you can invest your money in this company, whether it's S-Forex, Forex Trading, S-Pharmaceutical, Medical Marijuana, SIPO, which is their stock trading that they do automatically for you with various companies they're invested with, and Liquidity Mining, their own token system, guys. They're eventually going to get into real estate too. They're expanding and getting into that, so that'll be exciting. But nonetheless, things are moving along real well so far. But yeah, getting towards the end of my 5-minute daily review video. Don't forget to click on the sign up link down below so you can sign up to my YouTube channel. You can see all my daily updates and reviews. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. Take care. and you have a great rest of your day.